Hi, and welcome back to our 22nd 52-week Blender challenge series video. I know, mouthful. This time we're making like a little, it's like a little pot, but it'll, what's it called? It'll heat up food for you. So yeah, let's go ahead and make that. So delete this. This one's actually going to be pretty easy. So just a cylinder, press 1, GC. We're not doing scale, but we can. Tab, edit mode, S, X, well, X-ray mode, S, S, X. That's pretty good. Go to X face mode. Oh, no. I guess not. Okay. S. That's good enough. All right. Press face mode right here. Press 1, 3, 1, ES. Yeah, thinner like that. Press 1 again, then E. Just like this. As. Okay, cool. Then get out of X-ray mode. Press 1. We're gonna add like, we're gonna cut something apart. So Shift A, we're gonna add, yeah, okay. Shift A, add a cube like this. GC, like that. And then SY, press 1. We're gonna go X-ray mode, and we're gonna select the sides here. Bevel. We're gonna do vertices, and we're gonna do multiple here like this, and we're gonna make it bigger like that. All right. More segments. All right, this is good. Press 1, press 3, tab, S, Y. All right. Then S, C, like this. Actually, even bigger. S, C, like this. Okay. Because the little holder for the heat right here is going to be about there. All right, let's cut this out. Just a boolean. Apply. And then tab edit mode. Go to edge mode, and we're just doing this. Actually, face mode. Right. I kind of want to make this, what's it called? Shift Control Plus. The edges around here are a little smoother. let's just go for the top part being smooth. So 3 is good. Nope, that's way too much. 0.02. All right. Vertices now, edges. Yeah, 302. Then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Point 0.02 and 3. All right, I like that. That's pretty nice. I guess we could do that for this too. Point 0.02, then 2. All right. Now let's create a little fire holder. So do tab shift A. This is just another cylinder within a cylinder. Cylinderception. Press 1 as like about that big. GY, GX, like that. X-ray mode. GC right about here. Okay. C. Like that big. Then ES. ES. Same concept. Like that. Control R. We're gonna take that out of X-ray mode. Hide this first cylinder. Okay, Control R. Okay, like this. Select all the faces here, just the top ones. Shift Control Plus. Then extrude along the normals. Like that. And then we're going to go to edge mode and select all the edges here. Shift Control, go around, S, like this. That's what we want. And then Shift Control Plus. Oh, sorry. Go around all the edges and double this, double that. There we are. That's nice. Our fire holder, and take everything back. And then we can put a little mesh here on the top because this is where like the coal would go. We heat it up and then we can make food on top of here. So yeah, let's add that. Shift A. Let's see. Let's add just a simple plane. Okay, press 1, GC, like this. And then Shift A, a circle, 1, GC, bring it up here, tab, face mode. Just a tiny bit. All right. and then get out of that. Select this. Oh, actually, yeah, we don't need this plane. Alright, and then E, tab, face mode, E, S, like that, then E, S, E, S, E, S, E, S, alright, then E, S. Let's delete pretty much everything that isn't. Alright, Shift Control Plus. But do it with X-ray mode on. C. Alt A. Okay. Select the first one with a C. A. And then this one. Okay. And then Shift Control Plus. Ah, it's not working. It's not working. Alright then. Get out of X-ray mode. Let's just select these three faces right here. Shift D, C, P, by selection. And then we're going to do the same thing with this, all around this. Shift Control Plus. Alright, and then select this too. Shift D, P, by selection. Now tab mode. Let's delete this right here. We're going to select this, tab edit mode. Select A, E, just a tiny bit. Then we're going to select this, go to 1, sorry, edit A, E, just a tiny, no, just a little more. Okay, like that. Press 1, then go to G, C, sorry, press A, G, C, like that. Nice. Tab edit, we're going to select Control A, all transforms, and then we're going to do Shift A, arrows, and we're going to make this go around here. So what's it called? Go here, select array modifier, go to fit curve. Oh, sorry, that is the wrong thing. Fixed count, object offset, select the curve, oh sorry, the array, the empty. Then we're going to add more here, select the empty, RC, like that. And we're going to do 60, but we actually want more, so we want 30. And like that, and then we can just add some more to this and just do a 12. And there, all good. All right, then we apply this, and we select this and this, and we do a Boolean modifier, and we're going to do a union. Sorry, this one. We're going to do a union of this. Apply. Delete that. Go to 1, GC, and there we have it. Our own little smoker for cooking. Hope that helped, and until next time.